No. Mascara for what?
Kylie's finished with the rest of the ramen.
She just stands there. She didn't even try to leave.
No, because Maria couldn't finish her ramen noodles, so she gave it to me, then she texted Brittany.
Why would you make up such a lie? I have a picture of you.
Yeah, because
Hurry.
then you just gave me it.
No.
Stay, bitch.
Ah!
Stop moving. Wait, you have to be here when everyone comes up the wall, up the stairs. You have to be stuck here.
Can I be like pretend I'm knocked out?
Sure.
Oh, Lily!
Stop it.
You can't move. Hey.
Stop touching the tape.
Don't take it off,
The
bitch.
tape.
Okay.
Mhm.